go.
So, hey there, this is Rune from geocentral.org, your number one source for codes and pornography and everything else. So, all the good stuff. Anyways, we were talking about the new microphone we have here. And, apparently when we connected it up, it actually said the USB human interface device. So, that's something new. I don't know, what do you think? Do you want me to call you G-Bot or Galen or... You know?
Don't tell him my real name. Jeez, come on, man. Jeez.
Oh, that's okay. You know, they can check the phone book and they'll be fine. And I'm sure there's a lot of, Galens out there.
You can call me G-Bot because I'm like a robot. I can go all night. Go all night.
Go all night, all day.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So what do you want to talk about exactly today? You know, we started off interestingly. So.
We can talk about... anything, really. What'd you have for breakfast this morning?
Yeah, I had shredded wheat and stuff, so, you gotta get that fiber in, so. Right. Otherwise it's awkward.
Help you poop.
Yeah. Yeah, it does help you poop. That's not really something I was gonna bring up, but sure. That's a good call right there. Anyways, so,
let's talk about gaming news.
You gotta wait for the microphone because I don't know if you're actually gonna get picked up here.
Oh.
It's pretty sensitive, so here, I'll pass it to you.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that, man. I don't know, geez, this thing's heavy. God.
It must be really heavy in your hands.
It really is, yeah.
Yeah, so in case you're wondering that we're just, blabbing away about this mic, but no, really, it's like a 2-pound mic. And it really does look like a vibrator. And we won't shut up about it. Right, Galen?
Yeah, we won't shut up about this big throbbing mic.
It's well lit, too. It's got a nice green light. And it's pretty thick, It's like a few centimeters in length, so... width. But, anyways, let's switch to something else here, because I think we've outdone that part. So...
Video game news. What do you think about the video game news, like E3 stuff?
Yeah, it was pretty good with the Mario Brothers. I'm looking forward to Mario Brothers. Sort of said that on the forums too. But how about you? What were you looking for? Like, what's your top, video game for this fall, Christmas season or Hanukkah?
X-Men Destiny. Looks pretty cool. Jeez, you're putting that right in my face, man.
That's where it belongs, right in your face, this microphone. No, I don't know how sensitive it is, but I've heard it won't pick up from too far away. So, since this is our first podcast and, it's already past PG, then, anyways, just to let you answer, you said X-Men, but why X-Men?
I don't know. It looks pretty cool. It's supposed to be an action RPG, so I like it. I like action RPGs. I think they're pretty cool, like Kingdom Hearts series.
He likes the action, but but no. I keep putting the mic towards your face, and you keep moving back. It's like you're not comfortable with big things near your face. See, really there goes the PG.
Yeah, I'm really not.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, this is already fun, We're having fun, and, we're just flying the jokes. And
Two guys just having fun? Two guys just having fun?
In your bedroom.
Exactly.
Which sounds awkward.
Two heterosexual men in my bedroom.
Yep. And we haven't even mentioned beer yet.
Yeah. That's true. Oh, I wanted to mention my comic series that's going to be coming up on the website. Yeah. So...
I don't know if my voice is being picked up, so otherwise it might be just you.
Yeah, I know. I don't know either. I don't know how this mic works yet. So
we're still getting used to the mic, but that's okay. It makes it fun, Yeah. We're both not used to this, but that's all cool,
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So. We got the first strip down, and that was just like a intro for things to come. We don't want to really give too much away, because then you have no reason to read the comic, but. We don't really want to say any names of the characters. We introduced Eric, though, right?
Yes, Eric. He's the roommate.
Yeah.
And he's a hetero.
Yeah, we're assuming so at this point. We don't know. because it's the first comic. But
Spoilers.
yeah, say that out loud.
Spoilers.
There you go. That was fun. Yeah. So yeah, we just started like a month ago, pretty much, right, Galen?
Yeah, like a month ago.
And now you're moving towards the mic in a sort of suggestive fashion. I'm worried about the rocking, but that's okay. Yeah, as long as this records, because otherwise we're totally, borked.
Yeah.
Try and go back to the PG.
All right, let's try and go back to the PG here.
Yeah, I know. It's just, it's just like the comic. What happens so far with how we do it is we just sit down, we make jokes, and unfortunately, it doesn't always get controlled. But I think that's definitely a good atmosphere. I don't know. Have you've made comics before, right, Galen?
Yeah, I'm doing a few comics. Nothing online yet, but there's stuff I want to put out there, like online. Nothing dirty or anything.
Yeah, he's actually drawn a lot of stuff before, so he's pretty much a amateur pro, if that makes any sense. So, right, Galen,
Makes no sense. It makes no sense. You make no sense.
Okay, that's good to know. All right, well, we're gonna be at PAX. Maybe not everyone knows that. So, what do you feel about that, Galen?
I like that idea. It's an awesome idea. I'm looking forward.
You're a pro for that.
I'm pro for that. I'm looking forward to all the games.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Are you gonna join like the Halo contest, the big Halo contest?
I'm not one.
I'm used to eating the mic. Here, 1
You
second.
really like that, don't you?
Yeah. Just whoop. All right, that's weird. Oh, then I broke that again. Broke the desk. That's the fourth time.
So yeah, PAX will be. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm hoping we can play a lot of the newer games that we don't know much about, like Final Fantasy 13-2. I really want to check out that game, maybe play it, see how it is. I don't know if it'll actually be there because we haven't gone yet, but But the demos look cool and stuff, so.
That sounds good. Well, we're just gonna take a brief break just to make sure that we know what we're doing here. So stick around for part 2. We'll definitely be all set and return shortly.